Hi there. Would you like to know the number one thing that you must ground into before consciously manifesting whatever it is you want to create? A lot of us have spent a lot of time trying to manifest the things that we want, to no avail. Or maybe you get some things, but you don't get all the things that you want. In this video, I'm going to show you one thing that is especially important to have as your platform before consciously creating, which will help uplift you and your manifestations tenfold. My name is Frances Eve. I've created Holistretch to help you feel good and free in your body, and in that freedom, learn to create the life that you dream of. Are you ready to get started? Let's dive right in. Hey, welcome back. So in this video, I will be sharing with you the number one thing, the platform, the bowl to carry all the manifestations, if you will. And what that is, in a few words, is self-worth. So yes, self-love is a part of it, self-appreciation, self-compassion, self-understanding, spending time with yourself, acknowledging yourself, appreciating yourself, complimenting yourself. All of these things are pivotal to creating the life that you want to live. Why? Because why would you have that dream house, that dream car, that dream community, that dream family, that dream partner, whatever it is? Why would you have those things if you didn't really feel like you deserved them? Or you didn't really feel like you were someone who should have those things or who could possibly ever have any of those things that you dream of? With the understanding that we as human beings are energy, frequency, and what we are attracting into our life is just energy and frequency. We're attracting the people, the places, the situations with the same vibration and frequency that we are at. So whatever frequency I'm vibrating at, I am magnetizing the people, the situations, the places, the opportunities that are vibrating at my level. When my level is at the level of self-love, self-worth, self-appreciation, self-compassion, self-understanding, self-acknowledgement, then I am vibrating at the level of the things that I love, I want, I embrace, I cherish, I dream of. Does that make sense? So how do we begin to vibrate at the level of I am worthy, I am love, I appreciate myself, I have compassion for myself? It's a practice. And in the practice of loving yourself, we actually encompass and embody the vision that we create for ourselves. So when I truly love myself, I see myself living with people who love me, being with people who truly see me, being with people who are loving, who are fun, who are playful, who are abundant, because that is who I wish to attract. That is who I wish to be around. That is the family I wish to vibrate with. You see? And how do we take care of ourselves so that we can begin to attract the vibration that's a high level? Well, we have to raise our vibration to that high level to match those things that we want to have. Make sense? When I am ripping on myself, tearing myself down, beating myself up, not treating myself right, not cleaning up after myself, being messy, being dirty, not thinking that I deserve anything, continuously complaining or judging people or criticizing myself or judging myself or all those things, those lead me into a downward spiral. And in that downward spiral, my vibration continues to lower and attract people, places, situations, opportunities that are not in my highest interest. So how do I manifest those things that are in my highest vibration? Through self-love exercises every single day. They can look like the nutrition you put in your body, so being healthy, creating that raise in your vibration through food, through that's energy, right? We are energy. So continuously eating more alkaline foods, healthier foods to keep raising our vibration, to exercise and stretch daily, to be in touch with our physical body, to love on our physical body, to surround ourselves with people that we love and cherish, our friends, our family, our community, to be with ourselves in such a way that is honoring our needs. If we're tired, don't go out. If we're energized, take a run around the block, go outside for a hike, to surround yourself in nature, to be around high vibrational energy, which is nature. That's the highest vibration. So you see, when we create that vibration, that frequency of love, of self-worth, we know we're worthy, we know we're worth it, then those things are created in our life. There are other, I guess you can say, ingredients to the recipes of conscious manifestation, and I do plan to create more videos for you around that. But this is the groundwork, and I really wanted to get that platform set down for you to understand that when you consciously create, the most powerful being that you will ever be is in your space of self-love. And that is the number one thing to manifestation. I hope this video helped you. It has been my pleasure to create it for you. Through the years of my own manifestation practices, this has helped me a great ton. And I realize that the life that's worth living for me really starts with forgiving myself, acknowledging myself, loving myself, and giving myself the love that I deserve. Please give this video a like so that your friends, our family, our community may see it and may start to practice this as well. If you're interested in learning about self-love practices, please leave a comment below. I'd be more than happy to make this for you. And have a beautiful day. Take care. Feel free and love on yourself. Ciao.